Welcome to the Futronic Testbox series. In this video, we will look at how you can send a AIS message and simulate ships. To transmit a message, select Send AIS MSG on the test box and press OK. Then select AIS frequency and press OK again. Following this, the test box will await a response from the transponder and automatically send the message. Use setup 3 or 5 from the user manual. With the correct position data in place, select Simulate Ships and press OK. Press short or long to initiate transmissions from the text box. Following this, the test box will await response from the AIS transponder, and then automatically send the first position. This goes on until all locations has been transponded. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Danphone for more information concerning the Futronic test box and more.